Alright, let's clear up the mystery. Are Bmani headphones legit in 2026, or are you about to get scammed? I've dug into the details so you don't waste a dime. First, Bmani is not a scam brand. They're a real company, mainly selling budget-friendly headphones on Amazon and Walmart, with tens of thousands of reviews to back them up. But, are they actually good? That's where things get interesting. Let's start with active noise cancelling, or ANC. The latest Bmani P60 Pro and similar models claim up to 45 dB of noise reduction. In real life, you'll get enough ANC to drown out office chatter, but don't expect total silence on an airplane. It's solid for the price, just not wow level like Bose or Sony. Battery life though? This is where Bmani shines. Some models go up to 120 hours with the charging case. Yeah, you heard that right. Even the T16 series hits 80 hours. You could basically forget your charger for a week and still be fine. Sound quality is fine, balanced, decent for the money. But if you love deep, punchy bass or crave every last detail in your music, you'll notice the difference compared to premium brands. And, crank it up too high, you might catch a bit of distortion. Build-in comfort? Over-ear hooks keep them in place during workouts, but those stabilization wings might bug you after long listening sessions. It's a trade-off, secure fit versus all-day comfort. So, is Bmani a scam? Absolutely not. But, don't expect miracles. Common complaints are about charging issues, iffy connectivity after a few months, and a pretty weak mic in noisy places. Bottom line, if you just need reliable, budget-friendly headphones for casual use, Bmani delivers.